Hello guys, let's make fish fingers and chips the easy way today. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated, just some crispy fish fingers and delicious golden chips. I love meals like this because cooking doesn't always have to be a big production. Sometimes the simplest meals are the ones everyone enjoys the most. Put on some music, get in the kitchen, and just enjoy the process. There's something so nice about making food at home and knowing you're creating something delicious with your own hands. And look at these fish fingers. Crispy, golden and ready to eat. Simple food, made with love.